Today I'm going to demonstrate how to properly choose the correct pool pump, how to clean and maintain your pool so that you can save yourself hundreds of dollars a month. This is an Intex pool pump. It looks a little intimidating, doesn't it? Most people would do the easy route and pay someone to clean the pool for them. The way I see it is, why pay hundreds of dollars a month for something you can do yourself? You also need to find out how long you should run a pump for. It all depends on the volume of the pool, the volume of water that the pool holds, and the pump that you have. There's actually a formula for it. The formula is, you get the gallons of water your pool holds, and you divide it by the gallons of water your pump pumps. So for example, my pool is a 12-foot above ground pool, and it holds 3,800 gallons of water. I would divide 3,800 by 2,500, which is the amount that the Intex Crystal Clear pump would pump per hour, and that gives me the number. When I divide 3,800 divided by 2,500, it gives me the number 1.52, which means that my pool will be cleaned in 1 hour, 1.5 hours roughly. So this pump is really neat because it has the ability, the option for you to preset a timer. It goes by twos, so you can set it for 2 hours of cleaning, 4 hours of cleaning, 6 hours, and you can basically set it, and you know, it would just turn on by itself every day and clean for the amount that you have it preset to. You don't have to worry about coming outside and doing it every day if you put it to automatically set. I have mine set for 2 hours because I only need an hour and a half to clean my pool, and every day the pool turns on by itself, the pump, and does the filtering for 2 hours. This is my pool. Right now it has some leaves on it, which, you know, I would have to pick up with a stringer. But in addition to choosing the right pool pump and running it daily, to keep the water nice and clean, you also have to buy some chlorine tablets, which you can get from your local pool store, and you put it in here. You would tell them, you know, my pool holds 3,800 gallons. How many of those tablets does it need a week? For a pool this size, mine needs 1 tablet per week, and also on a weekly basis you have to dump some liquid chlorine around the edge of the pool. My pool uses half a gallon of the liquid chlorine, so you would also ask the pool store how much chlorine you would need for your pool. It depends on the size. That's something that you would do on a weekly basis. Alright, so this is the compartment. You would have to open this. This is a compartment that holds a filter. You have to check this every 3 weeks to every month. Let me get closer here so that you guys can see how neat the option is. Right here, this right here is, I don't know if you can see it clearly, but is a timer. It allows you to put it for 2 hours, for 4, for 6, for 8, and then there's a button here that would allow you to set it for a timer, the timer option, which is in the bottom, or for just on or off. So if you keep it at the timer option, it will turn on. Like if I set it right now for 2 hours, it will do it for 2 hours at this same time every day. So to recap, you choose the filter, you find out how long you have to pump water for, and this has to be done on a daily basis. Once a week you would put the chlorine around the liquid chlorine around the pool, and you would put Clorox tabs inside the Clorox dispenser. And also about once every 2 to 3 weeks, maybe once a month, you would check the filter for the pool pump to make sure it is clean. To extend the life of the filter, sometimes what I do is just clean it up with a hose and then put it back in. That about sums everything up. I hope you learned some useful things about maintaining your pool, and hopefully it can save you hundreds of dollars.